SIRUI Optical, the world's leading camera support, anamorphic lens, and lighting equipment manufacturer, has long been committed to providing filmmakers with the ultimate shooting experience.
SIRUI 具有独立的摄影灯研发生产基地，配备专业的技术人才队伍，高级其产品从创业提案、设计研发、生产装配、检测包装的自主管理流程。
After precision CNC machining and testing, the lighting equipment components are sent to the desk-free assembly workshop for wiring, welding, assembly, etc. All finished products must go through a series of strict and standard professional tests, such as the signal detection, PCBA test, button test, CCT and illuminance test, consistency test, aging test, low and high temperature test, shock test, etc. before shipping.
推陈出新，直击痛点。SIRUI致力于推出有全皮筒摄影灯的创新产品，弥补市场的很耐空白，扩大SIRUI摄影灯领域的自主界限。
SIRUI, capturing your imagination.